Arigatou gozaimasu. I want to learn about Guramatsu. Y ahora es cuando viene el soborno. Falta culpa, cabrón.
No.
Ponía a jugar dos coñas como yo. Oh, qué buena luz.
With one grow vines like Goyomatsu. First, this 3 times work, same like Kuramatsu. First, needle take, then June cut.
1 year, 3 times job.
Every year. And Goyomatsu,
Goyomatsu,
different.
Goyomatsu, if longer, candle very too longer, the case.
Cut.
And
In February. Or when?
candle, open the candle before
open.
Before open the candle.
If open, then not good.
No,
May. And that's it. It's the only work. Only.
But dwarf Goyomatsu, dwarf no cut.
No cut.
If not only,
No touch. Okay.
Usually no Metsumi,
No Metsumi.
only Kuramatsu.
So Metsumi is 3 steps.
Yeah?
Metsumi is 3 steps. Taking leaves, cutting candles.
Now season, after now season, when until spring, usually two many bats take
Only two. Back to two.
Uh, and after blowing the candle
Alright.
before, when blow the candle, take the leaf,
Alright. For
4 and 5. Or 4, spring blowing the candle,
Alright.
then before,
Just little. Alright. Okay.
after more blow,
Alright.
and January
June.
candle open the after January, June, January, shohin is January, usually big bonsai June, June season cut.
Okay.
After growing the, if strong tree from here, 1, 2, 3, and then more, 5, 6, stronger.
Alright.
Not stronger, only 1.
Okay.
Not stronger, only 1.
Okay.
Just 1, only 1 grow.
And no touch. Better.
No many.
No many. Okay.
If many after autumn season.
Alright.
Autumn season keep on 2. After they now is
Again. Okay. This also with Goyomatsu or only for red pine?
Guramatsu no only take leaf like this.
Or Goyomatsu only
Now
cleaning?
season very yellow color, many
Yes.
and drop the yellow color.
Only cleaning.
Yes.
Okay.
And sometimes many bats
Alright.
and like this
Take two. Back to two. Back to two.
bunch.
Okay. Very much now. Arigato. Ahí está la pregunta.
Pero te has quedado con las ganas de saber si mi vídeo la cago o no.
Sí, acá.
No, creo que no te has dicho que sí.
But
Chao. No, dale.
no, digo,
Así rectifico en los
el
vídeos.
otro que tú dijiste, ¿cuál es? El
Mekiri.
Mekiri different than Metsumi.
Kiri
Mekiri different than Metsumi.
the same.
The same. Always confused.
Ay, hombre de poca fe. Y eso lo voy a subir en vídeo.
Está bien. Yo no se den cuenta que están mal tus videos.
Creo que me acaban de dar la razón.
Yo siempre me confundo, ¿sabes? Como con esa parte. No sé por qué. Tal vez como que hasta que los vas agarrando el paso de los pinos.
Yo es que de Metsumi cuando vine en... Yo estuve aquí mayo, junio, julio y agosto. Y hice
2 pasos.
2 pasos. Oh, qué puta preciosidad de árbol.
¿Estás mojado?
Sí. Pero yo lo reconozco. Well, now you can see the trunk. It's a beautiful tree. Piense. Very beautiful tree.
See 20 25.
From seed.
Yamadori.
Ah.
Yamadori material. And after 25 years old.
This. ありがとうございます。
This. Wait. You have.
Pull down.
Hmm?
Pull down.
This. And this that is bites, no problem?
No problem. Because I will sell.
0. I just take it.
Lo hagan ellos.
The Goyomatsu that I buy, no problem with the roots or repotting?